Hi, my name is Robert Nguyen, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on that bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. Now let's talk about his YouTube channel. He started his channel back on October 22nd, 2007. Until today, total amount of subscribers are 152,000. Total amount of views is 19 million. Average daily subs is currently 107. And monthly subs is at 3,210. Now let's talk about how much money he makes in a single day. This is going to be an estimate. Daily views is 14,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber approximately $3. Daily income is $42. Monthly income is $1,260. Annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. Income is currently $15,120. YouTube cut takes 45%. So the income after the YouTube cut is $8,316. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know of the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.